Three of our gorgeous beauties right here. We have with us Yami Gautam, Mahi Gill and Rituparna Sengupta. Firstly, a warm welcome, and may I please admit the three of you are looking absolutely stunning. Stunning.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And so are you. Thank you so much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now that we have three of our gorgeous beauties right here, they have taken up the Pantene 2-week challenge. In fact, this is going to be the live hair dare. But we're going to have a little round of interaction before we get to the dare. We play the game Truth and Dare. So before we get to the dare, we're going to get to the truth. I'm going to start with you, Yami, and I'm going to ask you, how has the experience been, having used the Pantene for 2 weeks? How has the experience been, and all that's gone into having great hair then?
To be very honest, I think it's not hidden from anybody that an actress's life especially involves a lot of extensive traveling. Especially we're exposed to weather conditions. For example, I was traveling the other day for a promotion from Dubai to a Delhi to a London, which is extremely hot to extremely cold, and exposing my hair to, I think, I don't know how much amount of copper from the hard water and all those weather conditions. So I think, so it's very natural for hair to lose that texture, and especially the keratin that we're talking about. So that's where Pantene came on board and got me this new and improved Pantene, which has the KDBs and which took care of the keratin and preserving it in my hair. Of course, it didn't happen overnight, but I think about 5th or 7th day I realized that yes, it does work. I mean, from small things, when you get up, wake up in the morning and see count how many strands are there on the pillow cover, or while I'm making.
Firstly, again, you're looking very stunning, and I'm going to ask you something, that you've played a variety of roles in all the films that you've done, and I'm sure your hair has also succumbed to all the kind of torture, straightening, ironing, blow drying, you name it. So how is it that you manage all of that, and how has your experience been with Pantene?
Good afternoon, everybody. And I have to make an echo of what Yami and Mahi said, because it's, our lives are very, very drastic in terms of what it goes into the hair. Like, every time, as you said, is ironing, heating, this, that, traveling, exposure to so much of sun and all that. So always we have these damages. So my hair is always very frizzy and dry. So this time I'm really lucky to have Pantene, new improved Pantene with me, because it has really given a luster and body to my hair, and a lot of grace and wonderful mobility, I must say. As it is, the keratin damage blockers are there, so which has taken care of that copper thing, which actually damages the hair. And also, I must say that if it has been used for 2 weeks, at least 13 to 14 days, then you can see your split ends disappearing. So actually, whenever